I would say the internship definitely took me out of my comfort zone. It also made me more empathetic and present.
We have so much incredible talent at Rutgers, but so many people who cannot afford to take an unpaid internship. That's where RSSI comes in. RSSI is giving these individuals paid internships in service of the common good.
If we had to pay our interns, that might be completely different. However, I'm tremendously happy that Rutgers was able to send us an intern.
I've had a few moments where I've been able to connect with the kids that feel really good, and they open up and talk to me about things that they have going on, and it makes me feel good because I'm like, oh, I can help in other ways.
Going forward, we have a relationship with Rutgers, so in the future, hopefully we'll have other interns come through our program. Some of our children, they don't realize what opportunities are out there as far as college, and even being from New Jersey, going to school in New Jersey. You know, often that's not given to them as an option. I really welcome this opportunity. It's been great.
We are going to grow RSSI. We're going to move it into a national audience, and we are going to continue to make a difference. And the result is that we are changing the world.